design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we delve into the realm of modern white kitchen design, a staple of contemporary homes that embodies both elegance and functionality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. This discourse will explore the essence of this design philosophy, its inherent advantages, and provide 15 meticulously curated design ideas to inspire your next kitchen renovation. The term modern white kitchen design encapsulates an aesthetic that prioritizes clean lines, minimalist forms, and a predominantly white color palette. This design philosophy transcends mere color choice. It represents a commitment to maximizing natural light, fostering a sense of spaciousness, and creating a versatile backdrop for various culinary and social activities. Modern white kitchens are distinguished by their seamless cabinetry, integrated appliances, and the strategic use of contrasting materials to add visual interest without compromising the overall simplicity. The aim is to create a space that is not only visually appealing, but also highly functional and adaptable to the evolving needs of contemporary living. The decision to decorate with a modern white kitchen design is rooted in several compelling advantages. Firstly, white kitchens possess an unparalleled ability to amplify natural light, making even smaller spaces appear larger and more inviting. This inherent brightness contributes to a positive and energetic atmosphere. Secondly, white serves as a neutral canvas, allowing for effortless integration with various design styles and color palettes. This versatility enables homeowners to personalize their kitchens with accents that reflect their unique tastes. Furthermore, modern white kitchens are synonymous with cleanliness and hygiene. The pristine appearance of white surfaces makes it easier to identify and address spills or messes, promoting a healthier cooking environment. Finally, the timeless elegance of a white kitchen ensures that it remains aesthetically relevant for years to come, making it a sound investment for any homeowner. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 15 best modern white kitchen design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Sleek, handleless cabinetry. Opt for flat panel, handleless cabinets in a high gloss or matte white finish. This design choice creates a seamless, uncluttered appearance, emphasizing the kitchen's minimalist aesthetic. The absence of handles contributes to the clean lines and smooth surfaces, enhancing the overall sense of modernity. Choose push-to-open mechanisms for an extra layer of sophistication. 2. Quartz countertops with waterfall edges. Select quartz countertops in a light, neutral tone, such as pure white or a subtle marble pattern. The waterfall edge, where the countertop extends vertically to the floor, adds a dramatic and contemporary touch. Quartz is chosen for its durability, resistance to stains, and low maintenance, ensuring longevity and ease of use. 3. Integrated appliances. Incorporate appliances seamlessly into the cabinetry for a cohesive look. Built-in refrigerators, dishwashers, and ovens maintain the kitchen's streamlined design. This integration minimizes visual clutter and contributes to a more unified and polished appearance. 4. Statement lighting fixtures. Introduce statement pendant lights, or a modern chandelier above the island or dining area. Choose fixtures with metallic finishes, such as brushed brass or matte black, to provide a striking contrast against the white backdrop. These lighting elements serve as focal points, adding both illumination and artistic flair. 5. Minimalist backsplash. Utilize a minimalist backsplash, such as large format white tiles, or a single slab of quartz matching the countertops. This approach maintains the kitchen's clean lines and prevents visual distractions. The seamless surface enhances the sense of spaciousness and simplicity. 6. Open shelving with strategic accents. Incorporate open shelving to display curated kitchenware and decorative items. Arrange items thoughtfully, maintaining a balance between functionality and aesthetics. Choose shelves in a contrasting material, such as wood or metal, to add warmth and visual interest. 7. Monochromatic color scheme with textural variety. Maintain a monochromatic white palette while introducing textural variety through different materials. Combine smooth surfaces with textured elements, such as wood grain or stone, to create visual depth and prevent the kitchen from appearing sterile. 8. Large kitchen island with seating. Install a large kitchen island with ample seating for casual dining and social gatherings. The island serves as a central hub, promoting interaction and functionality. Choose a countertop that contrasts slightly with the cabinetry to define the space. 9. Hidden storage solutions. Maximize storage efficiency with hidden storage. Solutions, such as pull-out drawers, corner organizers, and pantry systems. These solutions keep the kitchen clutter-free and maintain the clean, minimalist aesthetic. Hidden storage ensures that all items are easily accessible yet concealed. 10. Stainless steel accents. Introduce stainless steel accents through appliances, fixtures, and hardware. The sleek metallic finish of stainless steel complements the white palette, adding a touch of industrial chic and modern sophistication. This material provides durability and a contemporary edge. Barnum. Indoor herb garden. Incorporate an indoor herb garden to bring a touch of greenery and freshness to the kitchen. Vertical planters or wall-mounted systems can be used to maximize space and add visual interest. Fresh herbs enhance the culinary experience and contribute to a vibrant atmosphere. Large windows for natural light. Maximize natural light by incorporating large windows or skylights. Natural light enhances the brightness of the white surfaces and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. This design element improves the kitchen's ambiance and promotes energy efficiency. Subtle marble accents. Introduce subtle marble accents through countertops, backsplashes, or flooring. Marble adds a touch of luxury and sophistication without overwhelming the white palette. Choose honed or polished finishes to achieve the desired level of sheen. Floating shelves. Use floating shelves to display decorative items, plants, or cookbooks. They create an airy, open feeling and add visual interest. Their simple design seamlessly integrates with the modern aesthetic and provides a customizable storage solution. Contrasting flooring. Choose a contrasting flooring material, such as dark hardwood or concrete, to ground the space and add visual interest. This element prevents the kitchen from appearing too sterile and provides a striking contrast against the white cabinetry. The modern white kitchen design offers a timeless and versatile approach to creating a functional and visually stunning culinary space. By incorporating these 15 design ideas, you can achieve a kitchen that reflects your personal style while embracing the principles of contemporary elegance. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided valuable insights for your upcoming kitchen renovation. Thank you for joining us on Interior Decor Designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more interior design inspirations. Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more expert advice and design inspiration. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.